Have you ever wondered why grass is green? It's a question that may seem simplistic on the surface, yet it hides a fascinating tale of science and nature. You see, the verdant hue that paints our lawns and fields is not just a random choice by Mother Nature. It's a complex process that reveals the magic of photosynthesis. But what exactly is this process, and how does it result in the green color that we associate with grass? Let's delve into the science behind the green color of grass. The green color of grass, and indeed all green plants, is due to a pigment called chlorophyll. Dive into the heart of any green plant and you'll find cells bustling with life. Within these cells are tiny structures called chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are the plant's power stations, producing energy through a process known as photosynthesis. And the star player in this process is none other than chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, the green pigment, is found in abundance within these chloroplasts. Its primary role is to absorb sunlight, which the plant then uses to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar that gives the plant energy to grow. But why does chlorophyll make plants look green? To answer this, we need to take a quick detour into the realm of light. The sunlight that reaches our eyes is made up of a spectrum of colors, each with a different wavelength. This spectrum ranges from red, with the longest wavelength, to violet, with the shortest. Chlorophyll is a bit of a picky eater when it comes to light. It gobbles up light most efficiently at the blue and red ends of the spectrum, where the light's energy is either very high or very low. But it's less interested in the middle of the spectrum, where the green light resides. This doesn't mean that chlorophyll completely ignores green light. It does absorb some, but not as much as it does blue and red light. As a result, more green light is reflected back out of the leaf, and it's this reflected light that reaches our eyes, making the plant appear green to us. So it's not that grass is green because it wants to be, it's green because the chlorophyll within its cells is hard at work, absorbing sunlight for photosynthesis and reflecting back the light that it doesn't need. So, the green color of grass is due to the chlorophyll pigment reflecting green light. Chlorophyll doesn't just give grass its color, it plays a crucial role in the survival of the plant. This miraculous molecule is the powerhouse behind photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into food. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into this process. Photosynthesis is like a mini solar power plant, operating within each green leaf. Sunlight, the energy source, is absorbed by chlorophyll, which then uses this energy to transform water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a sugar that serves as the plant's food. This process not only feeds the plant but also releases oxygen into the atmosphere, making life possible for us oxygen-breathing beings. But what makes chlorophyll so special? Why is it the chosen one when it comes to photosynthesis? Well, it all comes down to efficiency. Chlorophyll is incredibly efficient at absorbing sunlight. It's particularly good at absorbing the blue and red wavelengths of light while reflecting the green wavelengths. This is why plants, including grass, appear green to our eyes. In a way, you could say that chlorophyll is the perfect solar panel. It's designed to absorb as much sunlight as possible, and this is what makes it so abundant in plants. The more chlorophyll a plant has, the more sunlight it can absorb, and the more food it can produce. So, next time you marvel at a lush green lawn or a dense forest, remember the role of chlorophyll. This humble pigment, hidden within every green leaf, is the silent hero behind the scenes, powering the process of photosynthesis and making life as we know it possible. Without chlorophyll, grass and all other plants for that matter wouldn't survive. Now we know the secret behind the green color of grass. It's all about the remarkable pigment chlorophyll, reflecting green light while absorbing others for photosynthesis. This process, vital for life on Earth, is what gives grass its signature hue. Chlorophyll absorbs energy from the sun and transforms it into food, all while putting on a vibrant green show for us. So the next time you see a green field of grass, you'll know it's not just green for the sake of being green, but there's a whole scientific process behind it.